Namaste. In this video, we will read about components of environment. This is the first chapter for class 7. In this chapter, we will study about environment, components of environment, and 4 spheres of environment. And at last, we will study about biodiversity and conservation of biodiversity. So let us go through this video. Environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It can be defined as all the things surrounds us, like land, water, air, plants, animals, roads, buildings, etc. All the living things and non-living things both are the parts of environment. We can see in this picture plants, animals, water, air, human beings, soil, minerals. These all are the parts of our environment. Components of environment: natural elements, man-made elements, and human beings are also the most important parts of environment. Natural environment, it means all living and non-living things occurring naturally. That means these all things are created by nature. For example, land, water, wind, plants, animals, human beings, etc. We can understand natural environment with the help of examples like forest, pond, lake. Another component of environment is man-made environment. The environments created by human beings are called man-made environments. For example, cities, towns, villages, aquarium, etc. Natural environment can be further bifurcated into two groups. These are physical environment and biological environment. Under physical environment, all non-living things include, while under biological environment, all living things include. Both the components of natural environment, that means physical environment, and biological environment are largely interdependent. Any major changes in the physical environment can bring changes in the biological environment. So both are interdependent and cannot be separated. Four spheres of environment. These are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Let us see one by one these all spheres. The literal meaning of lithosphere is a sphere of rocks. It is the solid layer of the earth. The uppermost part of the lithosphere is made up of silica and aluminium. It is combinedly known as sial. Below the sial layer, the rocks are rich in silica and magnesium. This is combinedly known as sima. Atmosphere. The literal meaning of atmosphere is a sphere of air. The atmosphere is composed of a mixture of gases. It is extending about 1600 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Atmosphere is the most dynamic in nature. That means certain changes can be seen in this sphere. like precipitation, storms, increasement of temperature, and decreasing of temperature. These all are the sudden changes can be seen in this atmosphere. Atmosphere is divided into different layers like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Hydrosphere. The literal meaning of hydrosphere is the sphere of water. Water is present in oceans, rivers, lakes, and other water bodies. The planet Earth is often called the water planet or the blue planet because of abundance of water on its surface. The distribution of water is not uniform in both the hemisphere, that means northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It is estimated that 43% of total area covered by water lies in northern hemisphere while 57% lies in southern hemisphere. Biosphere. The literal meaning of biosphere is the sphere of life. Biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between all the other three spheres of environment where all kinds of life exists. So, biosphere is the most important sphere of our environment. It makes possible to all kinds of life on the earth. Biodiversity. It is a variety of life on earth comprising of plants, animals, and microorganisms. The earth is full of diversities. There is diversity in land, soil, plants, and animals. This diversification is the cause of the emergence of new species of plants and animals. Protection and conservation of biodiversity is necessary to maintain ecological balance. The Government of India has passed the Wildlife Protection Act in 1972 to protect and conserve this biodiversity. The protection of wildlife animals is not only the duty of the government, but this is the responsibility of human beings to protect and preserve wildlife and support the government. Some critically endangered species of animals in India are forest owlet, Ganges shark, tiger toad, flying frog, leatherback turtle,